In today's business world, being efficient isn't just a nice to have, it's pretty much everything, right? So, how can technology actually help you get ahead of the curve? In this explainer, we're going to take a look at a company called Xbeekon and break down how custom software can totally transform a business from the inside out. So, here it is, the big question. It's probably the one that keeps business leaders up at night. How do you really streamline everything you do, get rid of those annoying bottlenecks, and actually drive growth? You know it's not just about working harder, it's about building smarter systems. And that's exactly where a company like this comes into play. So where do you turn for a solution like that? Well, let's talk about Xbeekon. They're a company built specifically to tackle these kinds of core challenges. They create the tools that help businesses solve those really pressing efficiency problems. And Xbeekon's mission is crystal clear. It's not just about, building software. It's about using technology as a lever to literally elevate your business. What that really means is creating targeted solutions that are designed to lift your entire operation to a whole new level of performance. Okay, so how exactly do they pull this off? Well, their services are built on two core pillars, development and support. Let's dive into that. So this slide really breaks it down nicely. On the one hand, you've got development. This is all about creating the tools you actually need. Maybe it's a custom app to manage your inventory or a brand new website to really wow your customers. But then, on the other hand, you have support, which is just as crucial. This is about making sure all those tools work flawlessly. We're talking about optimizing your database so it's lightning fast and analyzing your data so you can actually use it. It's the whole package, building it and making sure it keeps running perfectly. All right, so we know what they offer. Now let's look at how they deliver on that promise. Because understanding the specific tech skills they bring to the table, well, that's key to seeing their real value. These three skills are really the technical heart of what they do. Think of it like this. Database engineering builds a super strong, organized foundation for all of your company's data. Then, data analytics comes in and sifts through all that information to find the golden nuggets, the real insights. And finally, DevOps support makes sure that any new features can be rolled out quickly and reliably. It's a perfect cycle of building, learning, and getting better. And at the end of the day, all that technical stuff serves one simple purpose: to help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. It means you can finally move away from just guesswork and start using the data you already have to map out a clear path for growth. This also shows that they're really committed to future-proofing your business. I mean, by working with cutting-edge tools like AI, they're not just solving your problems today. They're building solutions that are designed to adapt and grow right along with you as technology changes. I love this quote. It kind of highlights their whole approach to complex tech. It frames something like AI not as this scary, intimidating thing, but as a friendly tool that's easy to use. And that mindset is absolutely key to bringing powerful new technologies into a business without a huge, painful learning curve. So we've covered the what and the how. Now for the most important part, the why. Let's talk about the real-world impact these services can have on your business's journey to success. This statement right here gets to the absolute heart of their philosophy. The goal isn't just to deliver a product and walk away. Nope. It's to build a partnership. This means they're invested in your success. Their success is tied directly to yours. So if any of this is resonating with you and it sounds like a good fit for your business, you're probably wondering, okay, what's next? Let's look at how you get started. And the great news is they've made the process incredibly simple. It's a straightforward two-step approach designed to just get the conversation started. You just send an email, and that kicks off a consultation where you can talk about exactly what your business needs. Easy as that. And here's the info you need to take that first step. The email is simply contactus@xbcanvan.com. This is your direct line to starting that conversation about what's next for your business. So, we'll end with this final question for you to think about. We've all seen how technology, especially AI, is completely reshaping industries. The question really isn't whether it's coming, but whether you're ready to harness its power for your own growth. Definitely something to chew on.